Welcome to another exciting episode of my food journey. Today we're exploring Minburi, a vibrant area filled with amazing local flavors and a rich market scene. From bustling streets to mouth-watering dishes, this journey is all about discovering the charm of Minburi through its food and culture. Stay tuned as we uncover hidden gems and savor the essence of this lively district. Let's dive in. Hi everyone. Today we're at Minburi. On every weekend, this area will become bustling with local shopping and eating at the markets around this area. Let's go and see what Minburi Market has to offer. Let's start with something for the lunch. We picked this shop. Their curry looks nice. And here's our brief review. Well, now we can continue our exploring. Oh, we haven't had dessert after lunch yet. Let's find one. This will do. There are several markets in this area. Each one got its own characteristic. Let's walk around. And then we came across one of our favorite Thai snacks. we just learned that there will be another walking street market starting around evening. So now we're taking a break till that market starts. Alright, now it's 3 p.m. and we are at the venue for the evening walking street market. We came here a bit early because we would like to see the setup procedure. The setup took around 1 hour. So the market actually started after 4 p.m. onward. Let's check this out and find something to eat. We start with some dessert. This market is all about food. We're so excited exploring here. What's next? Let's try this. Their dipping sauce tastes so nice, not too spicy. Steamed egg. We love this. And wherever we're not able to ignore Todd Mungu. Let's buy some and take home because now we're so full. Minburi has truly captured our hearts with its lively markets, incredible food, and unique charm. We hope you enjoyed exploring this vibrant area with us. If you love this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know your favorite part, and we'll see you next Friday at 3 p.m. for another adventure on my food journey. Bye for now.